Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make this type of rectangle using opencv and Python. As you see here, I just determine the color, detect the color. Okay, so you see here this beautiful shape, and from here we can change the color of this shape. Okay, let's try another color. Yellow and black. Okay, and you can add as much as you want. And it's really fast. Yeah, you see, very fast and very beautiful. It's like movies. Okay, and this is the trackpads. I have talked about them in previous video. Okay, and this is for the area of the contours. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 libraries. Okay, opencv, numpy, tkinter, and pil, and the ttk. It comes with tkinter. Okay, we use ttk because we need the combo box right here. Okay, first of all, I made this frame. Okay, because if I need to change the position of the frame or the color of the frame, and I have put the component on the frame. Okay, I have made the track bars, the combo box for choosing colors, the colors on that shape. Okay, if you want to red, green, blue, yellow, black, and you can add more and more colors. Okay, now this is just for the track bars. This is the way to do the track bars on tkinter. Tkinter is a beautiful library for making a graphical user interface for Python. Here we read the video, and in my case it's 0. I have made 3 labels, one for the big frame and 2 for the small frames. Okay, this is just a label to show the x and y axis, the coordinates of x and y. To PIL, this function is to display the opencv frame, the video frame, or you can make even image, to display it on the form, on the tkinter form. Okay, this way is easy to use it, and to use many small frames using this function. Here we go. I have made this function to hold the line, because that shape, this shape, let me just run it. On this shape, this shape here is just lines. Okay, this line, small line, 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 and line. Okay, so I have made this function. I named it line. Okay, and RGB here, it will be the image or the frame that we get from opencv. If you see here, cv2.line RGB, and we have X, we have the start point and the end point. Okay, the start point is X, Y, end point X, Y. Like if we start from X, Y, like if it is X, Y, okay, this is Y and this is X. Okay, and we start from X, from this, Y, from this, and we end X and Y for this. Okay, I use the combo box to get the colors. If the combo box is red, okay, if we choose red color, then we apply the red color. Blue, we apply the blue color. Green, blue, yellow, and so on. Okay, I have written this blue two times. Okay, it's okay. So you get the rectangle, the beautiful rectangle that you have seen in the video. Okay, I named the function stylish rec. It holds RGB, the frame, X and Y, W and H, the width and the height, okay, of the rectangle. You will see after we get the contours and we determine the area, we will get X, Y, W, H from here, the bounding rect. Okay, we have the top left, okay, and we used this function line. Okay, I have done like this because I want to change the colors as I want. Okay, and it's easy, little bit easy, make the works easier. Okay, top left, top right, this is top left, and here is top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So this is the way to do that in this function. Okay, this is the technique to do that shape. Then we have select image, or you can name it show or display, anything. First we read the camera, flip it. In fact, I don't need this here. Okay, HSV, using HSV here to track the color that we want to track. Okay, we apply the mask, the kernel, and so on. We find the contours. Okay, for low, we make the area to avoid the noise of the colors on the video. Then we have the bounding rect, and we have our function stylish rec. this function. Okay, that's it. Stylish rec RGB, because I told you why I'm using, I named this RGB because the GUI doesn't display the video on the RGB. Okay, it displays it on BGR format, so we need to convert it to RGB. So I made this line of code. Okay, RGB X Y, we got them from here. X Y, because it's like kind of rectangle. The shape that I made, it's like kind of rectangle, similar to rectangle. It has been very easy to use bonding rect to get the best result. Okay. XY, then width and height, X coordinate, Y coordinate, width, height, and this 20 is for the lines, the length of the lines, how much like I want the lines to be small or big, or like this line. Okay, if I want them to be big, you can change this number to like bigger than 20. If I want the line to be small in the length. Okay, I'm talking about the length of the lines, not the thickness. The thickness we can change the thickness from here. Okay, this is thickness. And yeah, and here I display the coordinates X and Y using the label, and I display the 3 frames using 2PIL, the function that we have made before. This function right here. Okay. And we said before that we need this delay. Without this line of code, the program will not work very well. If we are displaying image, it's okay, no need to put this line of code. But for the video, we need the frames to continue displaying frame by frame after frame after frame after frame, like this. And we put this select image, this function here. After that, we run the function. After we run the program, to run this function, the first thing is running this function. And the main loop, we have the main loop. This is for Tkinter. Okay, if you are not familiar with Tkinter, you should watch some tutorials about Tkinter, because it's very interesting and very good for Python. You can imagine if you can make a graphical user interface using Python. That means you can make many projects and very powerful programs. Okay, that's all. It's very easy. The code is long, but in fact it's very easy. Okay, and you will find this code on the link below. Okay, I will share the code with you. Let's run it again. See, I have noise here. Okay, done. The noise is gone. Beautiful. And as I said, you can add many colors. That's it. And thank you for watching. See you next time.